My name is Kevin Patel. I'm the Director of Sales at Automotive Elegance. When you arrive at Automotive Elegance, you're going to be greeted by a front desk person, and ultimately I'll come out there and greet you and give you a tour of our facility. We're not like any other shop. You're not just another client to us. You have a personalized solution. So downstairs we have a few different plotters. So we have a 48-inch and a 60-inch GraphTech. So we're able to pull up any vehicle in XPEL's Design Access Program database and plot the panels specifically. Paint protection film is to be thought of as a modern day art form on vehicles. We do this all in-house. It's hand installed, and that's kind of what makes us unique. We have a lot of the skilled laborers that have been doing this, 20 plus years, that they've perfected an art form. They are able to hide seams and body lines, which sounds simple, but it's an art form that is very complicated. After a quick tour of the facility, I like to take you out to your vehicle to go over the exact package that we discussed. So that way, when you come to pick up your vehicle, you know exactly what we did and what to expect during your pickup. There's a common misconception that paint protection film is only for sports cars or high-end cars, when in reality, it's meant for every car. It's meant for everyone because it's protecting your vehicle. Everyone likes a good-looking vehicle, and it's protecting the resale value.